Welcome all to Financial Freedom session 2 of 21 days program what we are having. So welcome all to the session number 2. Today we are going to discuss the most important topic for any investor or anyone who wants to create wealth in stock market. So we'll go through those points, and then we'll build upon them in coming subsequent 20 days or 19 days, whatever is left. So we are discussing the road to future for road to wealth creation. Every person who is in stock market who wants to create wealth or consistent income, he has to learn, understand these three analysis. One is fundamental analysis, second is technical analysis, and third is mental analysis. You must be wondering, wow, what is this 20 out of 100, 20 out of 100, 60 out of 100? If you want to be successful, let's say if you are giving marking to or weightage to this analysis, I would give 20% weightage to fundamental analysis, 20% weightage to technical analysis, but 60% weightage to mental analysis, which is most neglected by many stock market players. So if you want to be successful, you have to also focus a lot on the mental analysis. I'll be covering what is mental analysis and what we need to focus upon. So can I have yes from all of you? If you are okay, we continue. We are good with the topic. If you cannot type yes, you are from mobile, joining from mobile, just give thumbs up, show me some sign of life. Okay, great. Okay, thank you. So let's continue. First, we come with fundamental analysis. So fundamental analysis, this is the most used line, or if you permit to say, it is the most abused line in the investing world, in stock market. I am a long-term investor, so I discuss with a lot of people, and then they ask me a question. Okay, I have bought this share. What do you think about this share? And then when I ask, okay, and then they add this caveat: I have bought this for long term. Anybody is saying to you, or even if you are thinking that you are a long-term investor for any stock, just take the next question, which I ask people. Okay, if you are a long-term investor, tell me this X company, whatever you have purchased, what is the core product of this company? So 80% of people will not know the core product of that company, but they are invested in that company for long term. They don't know what this company does. Okay. Those who will answer, okay, this is the core product, then next question we can ask, okay, what do you think is the future of this product, and why you think that product will grow in future? So another 10-15% people will go. So what I mean to say is, this phrase long-term investor is very much misused in reporting and all. We'll understand what it actually means, what it actually means to be a long-term investor. Then second most used line is time in market beats the timing the market. I have seen people holding to 90% losses. So this also, okay, it is correct phrase, but in a correct context. Third misconception is, I invest in mutual funds only as they are safe. So many people don't join to learn about stock market because they are thinking they are investing in mutual funds. SIP is safe. Some intelligent fellow is investing for them. It will grow. No, not necessary. There are 44,000 plus mutual funds available right now in Indian stock market. Choosing a right stock is easier than choosing a mutual fund as of today. Then long-term investors have a so-called long-term investors have a great obsession with penny stocks. So they think that, okay, if the stock is a penny stock, like they are more inspired by movies ki aaj hero ka time nahi hai, kal ye hero ka time aayega, he will become a great star. So they go and search for penny stocks, and there are many people who sell the ideas for penny stocks. And you won't believe, for last 3 years I must have got multiple WhatsApp messages asking, about Yes Bank. Yes Bank is in some 15 rupees, 13 rupees, and people are still obsessed buying it. It may go up, I don't know, but this obsession is there. So people misunderstand buying a penny stock, holding it for long time कि एक दिन आएगा जब ये बहुत ऊपर जाएगा और मुझे करोड़ में पैसा देगा, ये एक ऑब्सेशन है, एंड पीपल थिंक दे आर अ लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर. So, how many of you have heard people with whatever description I have given, long-term investor, or even if you are the same long-term investor, you can type yes. Have you heard such people people discussing like this, saying like this? Yes, we see all around us, right? So this is आधी हकीकत आधा फसाना, right? So what we have to do is, let's understand what is fundamental analysis, and we will improve upon it. Starting from tomorrow, we will learn to do fundamental analysis. Why tomorrow? I'll be giving a task to everyone for starting it from today itself. So you will be learning what is fundamental analysis. What is fundamental analysis? The first step to fundamental analysis is you need to develop a conviction about a view of future developments for any product. What does it mean? You have a thought. Right now, Nitin Gadkari ji is moving around in a hydrogen car. So you have a view. Okay. So you think, okay, hydrogen cars will be a thing. It may be good for environment and everything. So you have conviction. So first you develop a conviction about future of a product. Then you go and find a growth company in the business which you think, which you have conviction in the future, that okay, this product will grow in future. You have conviction. Then you find a company, or you are reading about a company. You find that okay, it is making some X product, and then you research about that product. What is the future of the product? So this is interchangeable. This is the first step of fundamental analysis. Even before buying any share, this analysis has to be done. Estimate the future global trends for the product. You have to see what are the likely trends, what might happen, why it will grow. Analyze the past of the company, likely future performance of the company, future projection of the price based on the past performance. For example, we will take an example of our classmates only who used to study with us. So you must have seen from childhood people who come in the top 5 in the rank in the school time or college time. Those who were in the top 5, they will keep coming in the top 5. Maybe koi first aega, second aega, fifth aega, like that. But they will remain consistently in 5 unless until something very wrong happens with them. They will be consistently growing, coming in those ranks only. Even in offices, we see, except for few political people, people are hardworking, and everyone knows, okay, this fellow is hardworking. Same is with the company. If a company is doing well consistently for last 5 to 7 years, it is growing consistently, there is a likelihood that it will grow 20%. And if a company is growing by 20% year over year, then can the stock price remain stagnant? Ki nahi, company is going up, but stock price will not go. Maybe there will be intermittent fluctuations, but ultimately the stock price also has to go up. So we have to see what is the past performance, what is the future. That is called fundamental analysis. Then once we have decided, then at least quarterly basis, whenever they are declaring quarterly results, see whether it is matching with your thought process or not. Are they still on the same line or not? Not getting bothered by in between stock price fluctuations. When you are doing fundamental analysis, when you are trading as per fundamental analysis, you ideally you should not be worried about the in path fluctuation that happens due to the people who may not be doing fundamental analysis. So that is how the fundamental analysis has to be done. So this is a brief of fundamental analysis. So in case you want to create wealth, this is just a teaser of what we are going to learn. Fundamental analysis, we will go in depth. We will have 5 sessions for fundamental analysis starting from tomorrow. This is what you should expect. If you are wanting to create wealth, this is what you have to do analysis for a company. Fine, everyone good with Brief, what is fundamental analysis? Yes? Okay, any questions so far? I'll allow you to unmute if you have questions on fundamental analysis. You can unmute and ask. Take your time, formulate the question, unmute, ask. Okay. No questions, we'll go ahead. Okay. So this is fundamental analysis. What we are going to do is from tomorrow, we'll start 5 sessions. Like, can someone type to Satish that others are able to listen? He can log out and log in again. Okay, let me on. Okay. So we will be studying from tomorrow. We will be going through the basics of fundamental analysis, and I'll be sharing one stock with you. I would request everyone to go and read about that stock. I'm not saying you should be buying that. I'm just saying how to do fundamental analysis, and that will be the start of the analysis. Technical analysis is analysis of pattern. Normally, whenever I speak about technical analysis, there is a taboo. In India, still it's a taboo. With the younger generation, that taboo is going down. It's sort of guilt feeling. People think that it is some sort of gambling or something like that if they are doing technical analysis. So they, everyone, someone asks, okay, how do you, what do you do in stock market? They'll not say, I am a short-term trader using technical analysis. They have slight guilt कि यार short term बोलेगा तो ये क्या सोचेगा मेरे बारे में. So they, everyone avoids that. And then those who know or understand technical analysis or enter into technical analysis world, they are entering purely for intraday basis. So either we have extreme this side or extreme this side कि नहीं technical analysis है तो intraday ही करूँगा नहीं तो करूँगा ही नहीं. So we need to have a balance. Technical analysis is not only for intraday, it is for interday also, intermonth, interweek also, and this gives us a good source of wealth creation also for a short term. Now, the third challenge on mindset challenge when people are learning about technical analysis is every Indian is very good in mathematics, but they don't know how to apply maths in real life. That is a fact, and that is a what I can say irony of India. We are so intelligent, we learn maths till 10th standard, and then we don't apply. I'll give you example. Whenever I'm sharing some post on YouTube, okay, this is the triangle formation, or this is like that, and this is likely to go up. I share whatever stock is forming a triangle, whatever is having a high probability. That many times it happens that those stocks are of 2000 rupees one stock or 1000 rupees for one stock. Now people send me message, okay, why don't you share stocks which are for 100 rupees, 200 rupees? Okay, I tell them, unless until you have only 100 rupees, 200 rupees, how does it matter if the stock price is of 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees? See, ultimately, if it is going to go up by 10%, and if you are taking 20 shares of 100 rupees and it goes up by 10%, or you take one share of 2000 rupees and it goes up by 10%, the profit is same, na baba. How does it matter whether the share is 2000 or share is 100 rupees? But people have that, oh, nahi, nahi, mehenga hai share, so they will not buy. Doing technical analysis also. So please remember, if it is going up, percentage wise, if you buy 10 shares of a lower value or one share of a higher value, the percentage return is same. So please calculate from the percentage basis. Also, when you are doing technical analysis, don't get obsessed with the small share with a less price. Then as soon as we say, okay, technical analysis, people think it's like gambling. And immediately the next question comes, in how many hours, how many minutes, how many days money will become double. Suddenly their expectation is, they come from background where they have been doing fixed deposits which gives 6% in 1 year or lesser, उस पे भी tax लगता है. But as soon as they come into stock market, as soon as they start learning technical analysis, they want, okay, in how many minutes the money will double, how many hours money will double. Don't keep that expectation. That expectation is absolutely wrong. Today only, yesterday only, SEBI find some finfluencer, what they call. So they were luring people by saying, okay, you can double the money in some hours, some days, like that. It will not happen like that. It is a hard work to be done. Okay, so this is what pitfalls of technical analysis. So anything matches with you, anything you feel that, okay, you heard people saying like that, or you also felt कि कुछ ऐसा ही है about technical analysis? Can I have yes if you heard people, or you have experienced people saying that? If you are a beginner, तो आपको पता नहीं है what is technical analysis, leave it. But have you heard anyone here? Yes, no? Give thumbs up, raise your hand, show me some life, और ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. Okay, so only one yes is there. Okay, great. So few yes are coming. Okay. Okay, so Mala is saying, okay, I'm yet to start trading, so don't worry. Fantastic, you are at the right place. Now, what is technical analysis basically? So again, in brief, we are going to discuss technical analysis. Once we complete fundamental analysis in next 5 sessions, we'll start technical analysis. Okay, so be with me till the last slide if you are very serious about learning in next 21 days. Okay, so technical analysis is for short term. Basically, what happens is technical analysis mostly started from 1980s in world over. In India anyway, we are doing only for last 10 to 12 years. Technical analysis is like behavior patterns. People repeat their behavior patterns are okay. So Pankaj is saying there is only one issue with shares of high price. We can't easily average out them in conditions like current. If see, okay, I have a different opinion on that because I don't buy when it is going down. I normally buy shares when it is going up. I don't believe in catching the falling knife. I'm just deviating because Pankaj said, see, when a price is falling and you're trying to catch it, I believe it is like catching a falling knife. So price is falling, you're trying to catch it. More often than not, you will cut your own hand, whether it is a lesser value share or a higher value share. Let it settle down, then peacefully average it out. Don't rush to average it out. Just a suggestion. Okay, coming back to the topic of technical analysis. Technical analysis is short term, is for short term. Human behavior. If everyone can just close their eyes and just think what they do from morning. They get up, maybe get freshen up, brush your teeth, take tea, get ready, get for the office. You go through the same route, go do the same behavior, same time, coffee break and other breaks, then lunch, then come back in the evening, same traffic, same people coming on the road, go to sleep. Again, Saturday, Sunday, similar behavior. Same thing is repeating day after day. People around us behave in the same fashion. ऐसा नहीं होता कि today one person is very nice, tomorrow he is very bad, day after tomorrow he is something like that. So people have common behavioral structures. They behave in the same manner day after day, day in and day out. We see the environment, rainy season, summer season, winter season, it has a sequence. So everything in nature has a pattern. It will repeat itself year after year with some variations. How many of you are getting what I'm trying to say here? That there is a pattern which repeats, pattern of weather, pattern of human behavior, everything repeats. So same set of people who are coming. There are intraday traders in the market. They are same intraday traders. Who are long-term traders, they are same traders. If there are short-term, medium-term, they are same traders. Traders of Reliance are trader of Reliance. HDFC traders are HDFC traders. So mostly the same set of people come and trade in the same way again and again. They create patterns. Those patterns are studied. These are repeatable patterns. These are we can catch hold of those patterns. How to catch, what are those patterns and how to catch those patterns, we learn in technical analysis. Once you catch those patterns, then you can use those patterns to earn money. So that is what is technical analysis is all about. Repetition, same thing happening again and again and again and again. So you understand, okay, this something is happening. So after this happened historically. This has been happening historically. So again, if this is happening, this is likely to happen. So you understand by technical analysis. Technical analysis is plotting of market data, open, high, low, close, in form of picture, understanding the picture and trying to predict the future. So that is what we will be learning in technical analysis and repetitive patterns. So this is the what we are going to understand in the technical analysis, which every person should know. Third and most important, as per me, this makes or breaks, which is very less discussed on TV channels or in books or everywhere. This aspect of investing or trading is not at all discussed. But I would request you to pay attention. This is the most important part of earning. If you are not focusing on this, you will find it difficult to earn consistently. So there are few behavioral patterns for not so successful investors or traders. Now, I'll just go through them and let me know if you are trading, if you have started trading. If you are new, forget it. Just go through it, that you might face this. So if you are a beginner, some point of time in your investing or trading career, you will face this problem. So remember, these are the problems and you are not unique. You will face those who are trading. Just see if you are having any of these problems. So the problem number one, not the highest, just I have listed down many. Not taking trades which you have planned and then regret. You plan, you analyze a trade, okay, this is a good company, blah 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 blah, and then you don't buy that company, and then you see it going up. So you plan the trade, it goes up, and then you regret. That is one thing which happens. Rarely getting satisfaction of right trade. You are doing a lot of analysis, everything, but you are not getting satisfaction ki ha ye maine kiya and it went up. I analyze, so the satisfaction level is less. After a while after having few losses, you are afraid of taking trades for the fear of losing money. After sometimes you win, but after some time there are losses are more, you are afraid of taking trades. So नहीं यार, लॉस हो जाएगा, रहने दो, जाने दो, स्टॉक मार्केट इज नॉट फॉर मी. समटाइम्स यू कम बट डोंट ट्रेड लाइक दैट. Once you trade, then suddenly you have more faith in God, whichever God you believe in, or whichever power you believe in. Suddenly you start praying for it. Please let it go, I have taken a trade, it should go up and all. You start praying. When in trade, if the market is going in your favor, you are happy. If it has gone up and then it is coming down, it is not in your favor, you feel sad. So in a day itself, if the market is going up by little, you are very happy. Wow, it is going in my direction. Within 1 hour, if it is coming down, you are sad. So if you are experiencing emotional fluctuation throughout the day with every tick going up and down, then you need to do mental analysis. You need to enhance your mental analysis. What is happening with you? Mostly if you are in state of FOMO or ROMO, fear of missing out, that okay, oh, that fellow wrote on WhatsApp, did I miss it that out? Or if that fellow said, okay, I posted 5 days ago and now I am in profit, the ROMO. So if you are in FOMO or ROMO, then you need to improvise on your mental analysis, trying to know everything on earth so that every trade is a perfect trade. So what happens is people have losing streak, 4 to 5 losing streak. Then they think, okay, maybe my knowledge is not enough, and then they study RSI, MACD, blah blah blah, everything pattern. They start reading the news, world news. They will wake up in night, what is happening in Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Germany, Europe, Russia, crude, gold. So they will try to accumulate lot of information because they believe that they are not able to earn because of lack of knowledge. But believe me, you cannot have everything, knowledge of everything in the world. It's not lack of knowledge, it's a lack of mental analysis which needs to improve. Addicted to trading in spite of high continuous loss, you think it becomes a habit of gambling. Like you have losses, you think agla jo hai trade, I will win. Like if you have gone for gambling, the same feeling is there. If you get addicted there, you play, and then you think nahi boss, agla to winner rahega, loss pura recover hoga ek jhatke mein, and then you keep on trading. Again, you need some mental analysis. Hiding losses from others, not telling your dear ones, near ones, friend that you have losses, high losses. Blaming the market, it is easy to blame the market, that okay, because of market I am losing the money, there is someone manipulating in the market, they want to take my money away from me. And all those blaming others, blaming mutual funds, blaming the influencers also. Blaming influencers is also a mental analysis challenge. And hoping market will have some justice. Today I'm losing, market will give justice. So these are the few points which goes through. I mean, some of the points, or maybe every point, many people go through when they are trading. And more they go through this, they start losing money consistently rather than winning, having winning trades, having earning consistently. If they are going through any of these, they start losing more and more and more. How many of you, just type yes or raise your hand if you're on mobile, how many of you have experienced some of these points or maybe all of these points? Because I have gone through all of these points. I'm still trying to, like, I call it nirvana through stock market, right? Gone through, right? So yes. So if you have been trading for some time, you will be going through this. So that's why this mental analysis is very, very important. So once we do fundamental analysis, technical analysis, we need to do mental analysis. So what state we have to reach is like this. In mental analysis, so okay, so Vivek liked my phrase of nirvana in stock market. So what we have to do is we have to really achieve in nirvana, detachment. Like Vivekananda said, we should be detached in whatever we do. So in stock market, it is really the path of detachment, path of nirvana. Because first of all, whenever we are taking a trade, we have to remember one thing. If I am putting money in stock, I am buying any share, whether it is a long term, short term, for 1 minute, half minute, there is always a possibility of losses. I know there is a possibility, but I don't accept it. What I do is, if I put a trade, I start praying, Bhagwan isko upar le jao, Bhagwan isko upar le jao, like that. So I'm not accepting the losses. If I'm praying to God, if my mood is fluctuating with the market swing, then I'm not accepting the loss. First and foremost rule is acceptance of the loss. It comes with time. ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगा कि today I'll say and tomorrow you'll start accepting. No, I'm just trying to give some pointers towards mental analysis. We'll cover some more in coming days. Second problem is creating mindset to work in environment without boundaries, right? The stock market is without boundaries. Normally, what is boundary? When we are born, when we are living in a society, like I'm staying in my home. So some boundaries are set by the religion I am born in. right? So my religion will give me some boundaries. Okay, you will be, thou shalt behave in such a way, and you will behave in such a manner. Okay, that is the boundary. Then I'm staying in a house, then my family members will set a boundary for me. Okay, you should behave in such a way. We need the bathroom, you have to vacate the bathroom, you cannot just go inside with mobile and be there for 1 hour. Okay, so you have the boundaries in the home, then you have boundaries in the societies, said written, unwritten boundaries in society, in office, in traffic. So what happens is, we from childhood till we trade in the stock market, we are so used to the boundaries that someone is defining the boundaries for us, and then we follow that boundaries. ठीक है भाई, जो है मैं मानेगा. But when we enter into the stock market, there is no boundary. You can buy anything, you can do options, you can do futures, you want to do this, you do that. And no one is going to stop you. No one is going to ask you a question when you are placing a trade, when you are buying anything. So it's a boundaryless environment. No one is, except for how you can place the order. There is no limit. It's a boundaryless environment, and that is what is a challenge for people. They are looking for boundaries, but there are no boundaries in stock market. So you have to create your own boundaries in stock market. Okay, I will do this, I will not do this. That is the mental analysis. Have I created proper set of boundaries for myself or not? That's how society runs, right? There has to be boundaries for behavior patterns. So in stock market also, it's a boundaryless environment, but I have to create boundaries. Second is discipline. When I'm going to stock market, in life, society will extract discipline from you कि सुबह उठो, नहाओ, ऑफिस जाओ, ऑफिस से वापस आओ, खाना खाओ 1 बजे, everything society will get it done, discipline. But in stock market, you have to create that discipline through your own mental analysis. Fourth and most important is no emotional impact. What market dances? Once you have taken the entry, you have decided, okay, I'll exit here, I'll exit in loss here, I'll exit in profit here. In between, whatever dance market does, you should neither be happy neither be sad. मेरा डिसाइड हो गया ना, इधर में एंट्री करेगा, उधर एग्जिट करेगा, इधर स्टॉप मारेगा, बस. उसके बीच में क्या डांस होता है, आई शुड नॉट बी इम्पैक्टेड. So that is the mindset, mental state we need to develop in stock market. More and more we are closer to that mental state, our success rate increases drastically. Very, very important aspect. Fine, everyone good with that? So some pointers are here. We will develop it further during this sessions. Can I have yes from all of you if I have made clear my point on mental analysis? Okay, great. So this is what 3 types of analysis will take up in coming days. So let's go forward. Now those people who are here, like Mala said, okay, I'm new, I don't know, I'm a fresher here. आप पता नहीं क्या बोल रहा है इधर, fundamental, technical and all. So Mala, for you, I have a playlist in TradingView. Okay. So what I want everyone here to do is 2 things. If you are very, very serious about uh, learning this thing. One is I have created watch playlist, TradingView. What is TradingView? I'll just open TradingView for you. Okay, just hold on. I have just hold on, hold on.
दिखाऊंगी
सतीश जी, आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो तो म्यूट कर लीजिए. Okay, now this is the TradingView. So Mala, you are there? Hello, you can unmute Mala, or anyone who is a beginner who does not know, they are first here to learn about stock market. Can someone unmute and talk to me?
Yes, even Sheetal here.
Okay, Sheetal. Yeah, great. So this is a trading view. Trading view is nothing but this price action plotted on a graph. Okay, we have studied graph in childhood. So this is a tool to convert the price action into graph. So when we are going to do technical analysis, you need to understand how to use this tool. This is available free of cost. Some ads will pop up, just ignore, don't go for the paid version if you don't want to go for it. This is a very user friendly tool available. So go to tradingview.com, open a account. Don't open a trial account. They will say pop up aega ki you want to go for a trial account. Don't go for that trial account and all for 1 month.
What is it? Trading View?
Trading view is this chart will form, this charting software. See, this is the price action. This is the price movement of the stock market. It will plot it here. Okay. So just do one thing.
So it's an app.
It's an app. It's an online app. So even you can download the app, go and open a free account. Don't go for a trial or anything. Just go open a free account. They allow you to open a free account. That is good enough for our immediate requirement. That is point number one. Point number two, I have created on YouTube playlist. How to use TradingView. There are 6 videos which I have made this playlist. Okay, क्या हुआ videos ये रहे. Okay, so I have created this playlist, TradingView part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. I would request everyone who is new in stock market on weekend, Saturday, Sunday, you have time. Go and watch all the videos of TradingView. This is an app. How to use this app for plotting. How to use this charting software, because our technical analysis success, your technical analysis success, how you will do the technical analysis will depend on how well you are able to use this charting software. Just to put importance to this software, when I started, I used to download the data and put it on Excel sheet and put it on a like presentation plots we used to have. So every day I used to download data from NSC and then plot it via Excel. It was a tedious task. Then there were softwares those time for 30,000 rupees for this plotting this. Now it is available for free. I'm talking something around 15 years ago, software used to come for 40,000 a year. 40,000 ka software and 10,000 rupees data for the entire year. That was the cost that time, 15 years ago. Same thing now, it is available for free. So don't think since it is free, it is cheap. It is very valuable. Think it is a worth 40,000 rupees what you are getting for free. So go open a free account. Free account is also good enough for our newbies. Start, go and watch my videos. I have gone step by step. I'll share the playlist in the group, financial fitness group. I will share the playlist what you have to go watch over the weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Don't do anything else, just watch this, practice on TradingView. You'll be ready for technical analysis. Okay, can I have yes from all the beginners, those who don't know how to use TradingView, they will do this. Malay saying how to buy, sell, everything will come step by step. Okay, so we cannot complete everything in one day, but I want everyone, every newcomer to promise me over the weekend you are going to watch all the 6 videos and you will be learning along as you practice, right? So this is it. And the people who are experienced intermediate, I want them to go and study the annual report so of MTAR. Okay, so this is MTAR Technologies. I'll not tell what they do. You have to go to their website. This is the MTAR Technology. This will be required. Even you are new or old. If you are going to be in these sessions for next 20 sessions, you should start reading the annual report. So where you'll get, this is mtar.in. go to investors, financial information, annual report, go to annual report, click on the annual report. Then if you go down here, download annual report 22-23. Go and download the annual report. It's only some 150 pages or so. आराम से बैठ के पढ़ो, and then you have to see what all they do. Okay, this is only big. I'm not saying that you have to buy MTR. No, I'm trying to inculcate habit of reading the annual reports, which is required for fundamental analysis. So if you are serious in wealth creation, read one annual report to start with, and I would request few people to present their reading. So everyone will read MTAR only, and then we will have discussion on MTAR only. Okay, what did you learn from reading MTR? So it's okay, 300 to 500 rupees, no problem. You have to read it. See, stock market is not a place where you can earn money easily. It's a tough world. It's a tough thing. We have to prepare, but it's the best place to create wealth. Okay, I'm not promising you कि बस आज सीखोगे और कल नोट छापोगे, नहीं. I am teaching you the art of living, creating wealth. So it will take time. आपकी तरफ से भी effort लगेगा. Okay, so everyone promises me to read this annual report, download and read the annual report. Take your time. Take 4, 5 days, 6 days to read. Yes? Okay, great. I still have only few people promising me yes. Okay, so this is the two things which I want you to do. Read the annual report, and those who are new, those who don't know how to use TradingView, look at this. There are some changes in TradingView you will find little difficult. We can have a Q&A session later on Monday, Tuesday sometime, but do go through it. Okay, great. Thank you, Amit. So that is the spirit. Amit is downloading and doing it tonight. So we will study this. So that's it for today. I hope everyone learned something new. Everyone who are here has learned something new today, something interesting, something which they can use.
We don't have classes on Saturday and Sunday.
No, Saturday and Sunday, I'm not. This Saturday, Sunday, and next I'm not keeping. We'll keep for weekdays as of now.
Okay.
Because I might be going out on Saturday, Sundays like that.
Okay.
But Saturday, Sunday, you have to, Sheetal ji. Okay, unmute please.
No, yeah.
हाँ, ये homework है Saturday, Sunday.
हाँ, ये TradingView वाला that I'll definitely watch.
Yeah. So you have enough material for Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so great. Thank you so much. Any questions so far? Anything anyone would like to ask? Any questions? No, either everything is clear or काफी confusing था. दोनों में से कुछ एक होना चाहिए. Yeah, Sandeep.
I have an opinion.
Yeah.
I am on the second inning of my life, and considering that time is short, so I will be adding 20% of fundamental to the mental, and 20-80 would be this thing.
20% fundamental, 80% mental analysis.
Technical, 20% technical, 80% fundamental, 80% mental.
Fantastic, sir.
This is what I have a thinking, because now I've mentioned no to the report. Probably you may have noticed or not, because I am not at this moment. I don't want to spend time reading 150 pages or maybe 300 pages. 300 yes, pages. Maybe 300 pages. So there is enough, I think, surrounding information which is, if you are aware of it, you can just get a final cracks of that, and maybe to get a faster wealth creation, I will be more giving stress to technical and the mental.
Sure, definitely. I leave it every individual to choose. From my perspective, I'm telling the वो मतलब सबसे toughest path जो है So what I am teaching is the toughest path. People can choose. उसमें थोड़ा सा इधर उधर करके choose कर सकते हैं. उसपे it's great. So no issues in that.
But Samiji, we would request, like जैसे स्कूल में नहीं होता था कि पूरा toughest way सिखाते maths का calculation,
Sorry?
but also teachers जैसे स्कूल में सिखाते हैं the toughest path,
हाँ
the longest way of solving a sum,
हाँ हाँ.
but also teach us the shortcut, because you know we are at that phase of life where we also want to learn the shortcut method also.
Correct. इसमें shortcut है. See, for first reading will be 302 pages. So when you go through that, you understand, okay, पहले के 10 पेज बेकार है इसमें. Like, okay, they will say, give some story. See, you have to go through the 302 pages for any, and if you're starting new in fundamental, you have to read the entire report for one company, and it is better be a good company. Then you understand the nuances of the report. What is मतलब वो कहते हैं ना, काफी रिपोर्ट्स में वो होता है आधी हकीकत आधा फसाना. So once you go through everything, you realize, okay, where should I focus ultimately when I'm going through the next report? I need not read entire 302. I can as well skim through. Even if the report is 300 pages, I need to read only 100 pages. When you 100 pages, the third report you'll read, you might read only 50 pages. But to go to that shortcut to till 50 pages,
First we need to read the whole
हाँ,
thing.
पहला तो एक एफर्ट
सही
मारना
बात
ही
है.
पड़ेगा. उसके बाद सेकंड में शॉर्ट हो जाएगा, थर्ड में और शॉर्टर हो जाएगा.
सही बात है एकदम.
पहले के लिए तो पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. So that is
पढ़ना ही
one
पड़ेगा.
thing which I am insisting everyone, please go through it and you will enjoy.
Definitely.
See, once you will see,
Yeah.
the perspective will increase. Then once you read through it, no, once you listen to the TV anchors and the specialist on TV, आपको लगेगा यार ये तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. मतलब वहां पे जाके जो इन्होंने बोल क्या रहे हैं, जो ये पढ़ के ही बोल रहे हैं, जो रिपोर्ट में था यही रिपोर्ट में उसकी समरी बना के टीवी बैठ के बोल रहे हैं, उसमें एग्जैक्टली क्या है. So that will give you idea. So if someone is telling about a good company, you know, okay, chalo, let me go and see in the reports. I'll know what to look for that in the report. So it's a vice versa.
True.
अपन टफ से चालू करेंगे फिर इजी बनाएंगे.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, great. So Mala is saying I am watching Vishal's videos in YouTube. Okay, so this is information. I don't know.
Please kindly share your this YouTube, this 6 parts.
This
of
I'll share on the.
reading.
You are on the financial fitness group, right?
Yeah.
I'll share there. I'll share this.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, great. Great. So thank you. Thanks a lot, everyone. I hope you have more questions. More people have questions next time. Don't think कि नहीं कोई ना कोई पूछ लेगा. Don't think you also have some questions. This is an interactive session. That's the advantage of having the session over the recording on YouTube. YouTube पे तो recording है, but if you ask the questions, that is more interesting for everyone. So great. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow. We start with some basics of fundamental analysis tomorrow. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow.